Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am AttiDude back in another video, and in today's video we're gonna learn about polymorphism in C#. The name is a bit complicated, but trust me, the concept is really simple. Polymorphism is based on inheritance. It depends on inheritance because if you have ever tried messing around with some scripts or samples anywhere, sometimes you've seen the word override and you want to know the meaning of override. And I am here to explain you the meaning of override and virtual keywords, and these two are the keywords that are used in polymorphism to simulate inheritance and some of the features. Okay, so this was the class that we created in our last video, and I'm gonna delete everything in the main function, even here. I don't think you should delete the class. Maybe name this something like animal. Okay, and then in here let us create a new function. Let us set that to be public void make sound. Okay, so we now have our make sound function, and let us create one more class which inherits from the animal class, dog. I'm gonna name this dog because I found dog to be really perfect for our example. And here, if we just make public void make sound, this is not gonna be any type of other sound. This is gonna be the bark or speaking sound. You get some sort of warnings, don't worry about that. And I'm gonna create a new reference of dog. I'm gonna name this Johnny, or maybe Dodo, equals to new dog. Okay, we have our dog, and we can write Dodo dot make sound. Seems perfect, right? What we're doing is we just made a function. Here we can write console dot write line, and you can write speaking. But in here, in the dog one, I'm gonna write barking. And if we run, we see it's barking, right? Let us just label this. Okay, Dodo dot make sound, and in our case it just worked fine, but in some cases this won't at all run fine. That is because what this will do is that it just overrides the function provided by its base, or sometimes it may happen that this function stays just fine and this won't work, right? And it won't just do anything. It'll just write speaking. And to solve this issue, you can write override. Not actually override, but virtual. Because this is gonna be the base function. And in here we can write override. Okay, let us just run. Yes. What this does is that we created a virtual function. Okay, and the functionality of virtual function is that it can be overwritten by its inherited member. The function of this one will remain as it is, but of the dog it will overwrite to something like this. And if you've ever tried like the inspect editor scripting in Unity, then you may know that we write public override void on inspector GUI. Not just public void on inspector GUI. If you don't know what these are, leave it if you don't use Unity then. And it's like overriding. We are overriding the original function and just creating a completely new function with the same name that was provided by the base and with the same parameters. So here it made it work quite easy, but let us just mess around with this. It won't be even easy if we try to make sound in some cases, because in some cases what it does is that this function won't be able to override this one, and that means we're gonna call this one instead of this. That means we are printing the message speaking, not barking, and that could lead to some sort of errors and unwanted bugs. And to fix them, we have these two keywords, override and virtual. So I would like to expect some sort of examples for this in the comments down below. And this is pretty much it for today, guys, because this concept is only this much. It's this easy. It's really easy, but you need to take care. If you're not using an IDE like I'm using Visual Studio, but if you're not using like this, or you're using the Notepad or some sort of commonly used just the text editor software, be careful for these spellings because it could mess you around. It's over and ride. This one is virtual. And don't think that this concept is going really confusing. It's too easy. And if you like this video, make sure to press the like button, share this video, and write down in the comments for what the topics do I make videos on, and even some examples of the polymorphism as I shown in this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you want the notifications of our videos, make sure to press that bell icon. You'll get the notifications whenever we upload any video. So I am AttiDude signing out.